Hi, Carl. Let me look at your work. Oh, yeah, beautiful. Elegant, sophisticated, scientific looking logo that works so well with this font. Beautiful font and excellent colors. I love that gray in there. It's just very sophisticated looking branding. Very great choice for font right there. Nice and consistent. And I love how you drop out the gray. So, you know, it makes your decisions look very deliberate. Very good. Perhaps you want to be consistent here and say clear space and use that as lowercase because you didn't use uppercase anywhere else. Nice. It's called Kodiak. I have to tell you that Center Justified in graphic design, they say only use it in wedding invitations and gravestones. That is the saying. I didn't make it up. But the reason is it's hard to read. Your head has to like readjust like every time it's recentered. And it's a subtle thing, but too much of it can make the eye irritated. I mean, I don't think a doctor would say that, but that's the design standard speech about center justified type. So it's also bringing the eye into a V. So there's no real reason for that. Your logo, I mean, it looks fine and fantastic for the logo, but as a paragraph, something you're reading, it's a little bit irritating. And this word business is a widow. That's one word on a line. And it's really prominent if it's by itself surrounded by white space. So I recommend either left justifying, or there's something called force justified where you create a super tight block. But what that does is it makes the spacing a little wonky. Sometimes it looks cool, sometimes it looks weird, so you have to experiment. Oh, lovely. It looks so nice. These two strokes look like they might be different weights. I don't know if it's an optical illusion, but one thing you can do is you can make the spacing precise. Since your whole thing is precision, that's what your logo reminds me of. You want to be consistent and precise. So it looks like, for the sake of measurement, it's like maybe 3 or 4 centimeters here, and then over here it might be 1. So move that stroke line over a little bit and double check to see that they're both like 0.5. Beautiful. Again, you want to be consistent. So I would left align all of these and then make sure that they're equally spaced. That'll just look really tight with your design style. Oh no, who put it on blue? It looks terrible. Who stretched it? Never put it in a circle. All right, that's clever. But your logo is gone. I think, okay, there it is. It's broken apart a little bit. I think that's fine. It's pretty creative. Again, though, with the center justified, that's way too much type. You've got it in Greek, but still, you want to keep it simple and elegant. If you think about the letters you get that are that long, it's like you got to take a break, right? If you got this letter, unless it was about, you know, the lottery or something, you have to get comfortable before you sit down to read that. So just be direct to the point, keep it quick. This is very nice. You might want to put in a real stamp in there so people can see what it really looks like. Clear space. And then you got a widow again. So this doesn't look like it's part of your logo. You might want to make the stroke dotted and then put a little, you know, little arrow that says keep anything away from the branding, you know, 2 centimeters all the way around. Very nice. I would consider repeating your logo again. So this looks really nice. I think you just have a few things to tweak. I love the design you've set forth. The repeated elements look really good. I just think you should be a little more precise and consistent, and this is going to be a wonderful portfolio piece for you.